Welcome to our video on strange and fascinating facts about lions. These majestic creatures are known as the kings of the jungle, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. Let's dive into some of the most surprising aspects of their lives and behaviors. Did you know that in a lion pride, it's the lionesses who do the bulk of the hunting? These fierce females work together to catch their prey, showcasing incredible teamwork and strategy. Male lions may look strong and invincible, but they often have shorter lifespans than their female counterparts. Their lives are filled with battles for dominance, which takes a toll on their longevity. One of the most iconic sounds of the savanna is the lion's roar. This powerful call can travel up to 5 miles, serving as a way to communicate with the pride and ward off intruders. Just like humans have unique fingerprints, lions have distinct nose patterns. These spot patterns are used by researchers to identify and monitor individual lions. A male lion's mane isn't just a royal accessory. A darker, fuller mane indicates a healthier and more dominant lion, making him more attractive to females and more formidable to rivals. If you thought your house cat was lazy, lions take it to another level. These big cats can sleep up to 20 hours a day, conserving energy for when they need it most. Lions are much more than just the kings of the jungle. Their unique behaviors and social dynamics make them one of the most fascinating animals on the planet. Lions are unique among big cats for their social living. They form prides, which are close-knit family groups that cooperate in hunting and protecting their territory. Lion cubs come into the world with a special camouflage. They're born with spots on their fur, helping them blend into the environment to avoid predators. Lions are well adapted to their dry habitats. They can survive for several days without water, drawing the moisture they need from their prey. In the wild, lions and hyenas are arch rivals, often clashing over food. These confrontations can be brutal, as both species are relentless when it comes to securing their next meal. A lion's tongue is not just for tasting. It's covered in tiny, hook-like structures called papillae, which help them scrape meat off bones and groom their fur. Communication for lions extends beyond roaring. They use scent marking to stake out their territory and leave messages for other lions, rubbing their bodies against trees and bushes. When it comes to hunting, lions are built for speed. They can sprint up to 50 miles per hour, but only for short distances, relying on their powerful muscles and stealth to catch their prey. Despite their status as iconic animals, lions are facing serious threats in the wild. Habitat loss and human activities are driving their numbers down, making conservation efforts more important than ever. Lions continue to captivate us with their majestic presence and fascinating lives. Thank you for watching and exploring the world of lions with us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible animal adventures.